Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can enable priority only allows. It could be like reminders, events, alarms, messages, calls, and also there's an option repeat callers. If the same person calls the second time within 15-minute period, this call will be allowed too. So basically it's just an exceptions of the Do Not Disturb mode. You can also block visual disturbances like visual notifications. And you can also add automatic rules, which are basically just schedules for Do Not Disturb. You can select days on which it will be active. You can select, you can change its name. You can select start time, end time, and some else. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.